Alrighty, so this is February the 22nd of 2025. Just kind of wanted to bring everybody up to date. We broke down last Tuesday, the 17th, north of Prescott, Arizona. The van, we are at a transmission shop right now in Prescott, and we have a tow truck on the way. It's going to come pick us up and take us down to Yuma, Arizona, to a place called Team Ramco. They're actually the ones that built this last time, but they're not the ones that had anything to do with this transmission. That had no business being in this van. This is a 1-ton van. That transmission was designed for like passenger vehicles and light duty trucks. This is like twice that size, or twice the weight. So anyhow, we're gonna take it down there. They're gonna rip it all out again. The last person that ripped out a good transmission was in Longmont, Colorado, and then he put in this junk. So anyhow, I just want to let you know I'm going to be making a full, a little more in-depth video that shows these mechanics, and I'll show the receipts and all that good stuff. And and then also want to let you know that we've not been getting up very much material. So I think what we're going to do is I'm just going to start grabbing my camera every day and just kind of fill you in on some of the day-to-day stuff. And because we have such a backlog of video that it's just never going to get done. It's just not working that way. So anyhow, hopefully you'll start seeing more from us. But now remember, notice this video is taken in what they call landscape mode. It's a longer video. If it's longer than a minute, it'll go this way. The shorter videos, if you look on our page, you have to look for the shorts tab, and it'll be in the up and down position. So don't miss out on those. We're going to be doing both, and eventually we will be doing more edited videos. But right now, just want to let you know what's going on, and catch you down in Yuma.